Hi, I'm Mikas, Product Manager at Nexos. Here we have a core belief: AI should feel like our best teammate. Working one-on-one with AI is already powerful, but the benefit is limited when knowledge is scattered and context is lost. We listened and built Nexos projects, a shared home where your company files and data, your team, and LLMs finally work together. Stop losing your best conversations. Project saves and organizes everything into dedicated, topic-based folders. Ground AI in your team's knowledge and keep on chatting like you usually would. Just upload your files or connect your data sources and it becomes an expert on your project, delivering more relevant answers without the need to ever rebuild context. For any prompt, you can pick the best model for the job. Start with Gemini for writing, switch to O3 for analysis, or try Claude for code, all using the same project knowledge. With Nexos, your data and a live web search combine for research you can finally trust. Just hover over the answer to see the exact source. Our AI works like an open book exam. Powered by RAG technology, it first retrieves information from your trusted files, then generates an answer so every response is grounded in your sources. Work together with a complete peace of mind. Share context while your source files stay private. We build projects to be useful for every team. For engineering, it could be documenting code. For marketing, creating campaigns. For support, finding well-grounded and instant answers. We see this as an AI that can be applied across the entire organization. So, move quicker, align better, and trust your AI. Get your demo at nexos.ai.